Hi, my name's Jennifer and I'm from Pinpoint Manufacturing Limited. We're here to showcase our products and our lifting bags for lifting equipment and to see if we can generate some new business and customers. Our best selling product is our pallet bags and our standard bags like this one here, but we do a massive range of bespoke options. I think our main challenges are probably keeping up with all the legislations and making sure our name is getting out there and spreading the word that Pinpoint's here. What I'm looking forward to in 2024 is hopefully growing the business and getting bigger and developing our products and gaining new customers.